What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do just a really simple, not even a mod, it's just a simple, maintenance item. I have my wipers that have, gotten pretty worn out, so I need to replace them. So this is something that's super easy. Don't pay a shop to do this. You could do this yourself. It's super easy. It takes a couple minutes. So here I have the two different wipers. The driver's side one is gonna be a 26-inch. So that's what this H26 means, and then the passenger side one is a 16-inch. That's what this H16 means. And then you might be wondering, okay, what is this? This is hybrid on top. Just depends on what kind of wiper you get. Hybrid basically just means, if I just move this down here, so hybrid technology, protective outer casing, smooth clean wipe. So basically these have like a little casing that they go in, to help protect the wiper, whenever it's like raining. Not raining but in the winter, if there's any snow and stuff, the wiper itself, the blade, will be protected within that casing. Doesn't really matter what kind of wipers you get, as long as they are the correct size, 26-inch and 16-inch. For those of you guys wondering what kind of wipers to get, just make sure you get ones that are made for small and large J-hook arms. The Subaru WRXs 2015 and up, probably previous models as well, have the J-hook arm. So here I have the wiper. I have it opened up. As you can see, there's this plastic piece. This is just a casing. Make sure you remove this casing. It literally says remove protective cover before use. So make sure if yours has this, take this casing off before you put it on your car, because otherwise you're just going to be scratching the heck out of your windows and it's not really going to be wiping properly. But as you can see here, when these are closed up, kind of closed up, see this plastic over here? This plastic cover over here, this is what protects the actual, wiper from any damage from the elements, and it keeps it from being damaged when it freezes, in the winter. And then these wipers work for, multiple different type of applications. And what I mean is, if you look at the little instructions, there's 3 type of different wiper arms that this can fit on. There's this, what's called a J-hook. There is a pin arm 1/4 inch and the pin arm 3/16 inch. So if I look at the wiper here, this larger hole, this would be where the 1/4 inch pin goes, 3/16 go in there, and then the J-hook, basically, normally the wiper will be like this. Flip open this little cap, and then in here, the J-hook, makes a little J. The J-hook would basically go in there and hook up to this inner portion. Alright, I know it's kind of dark. It's slowly getting dark outside, and I'm in my garage. I guess the lighting is not really the best, but I have a little spotlight here. So here's the wiper, right? First thing you want to do is lift up the wiper. Bam, in this position. And then these are the same as the ones that I was just showing you. Right here it says open, so I got this little thing open. It's been a while since this has been opened up, so it kind of was tight, so I just get a little flathead, and you can pop this open. But as you can see, this comes open, and then you can just pull down and then out, and the wiper comes off. And then basically what you're gonna do is the exact opposite with the new one. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the wiper behind the hook, and then once it's in there, slide it upwards, and then close that, and bam, now you have your new wiper connected. And there you go. Move it around, make sure you have full motion, and then just put it back down. And bam, now I have new wipers. So then you just do the same thing on the passenger side, and you're done.